Hello guys, today I'll show you how to install PHP MySQL and PHP MyAdmin in Windows Server 2022. Let's see how can I do it. Go to your server manager. Then click manage at role and feature. Next, select role base or feature base. Next, select web server IIS and add to feature. Next, select role service from here. Select basic authentication, also custom logging tools. Next, click finally install. It takes some time, it's depend on your machine configuration. Now go to Google and search Microsoft Website Platform Installer. Go to the website and download it. After download complete, install it. After complete install, go to the Microsoft web platform. Go to product section. Select PHP 7.4.13 and Windows Cache extension 2.0. Also select MySQL Windows 5.5. Now go to install and set password for MySQL. It takes some time for complete. Okay, finally done it. Now go to browser and check the server. Login localhost. It's now working fine. Go to the server directory to create index.php file. Now I create index.php file. Edit the file with Notepad++. Okay, now index.php file is loaded. It's working fine. Add php info function in the index.php. Okay, looks good. It's working. Check default document file for index.php. Okay, looks good. Also have index.php. Refresh again. Okay, working. To install phpMyAdmin, first we have to download phpMyAdmin. Now I do it. Okay, extract the phpMyAdmin downloaded files. Copy it default website directory. Okay, now time for check. Localhost / phpMyAdmin. Not working. Check the folder of phpMyAdmin. There are another folder. to default directory and change the folder name to phpMyAdmin. Now time for check. Okay, now it's working. Thank you for watching the video.